Hey there, this is Chris Meadows for Teleread.com. I just got this brand spanking new Nexus 7 32 gig tablet a few days ago at an Office Max store closing sale. Saved over around $100 on it, pretty neat. And this is the unboxing video. So, okay. And let's see, looks like we got some tape here. Let's see, it's really exciting. Pretty spiffy. So here we have the Nexus tablet all wrapped up like a sort of a flat black plate. I'll get to unwrapping that in a bit. Then here we have the box, which opens out to reveal quick start cards in English and Spanish, and the manual, and the wall wart, and the USB cord. And I think that's it for the box. Now let's take the tablet here and see what peeling off the peely thing does. Ooh. And here we have a flat black slab of awesome. It may need to be charged before it can turn on, I guess. Oh, there it goes. Cool. And I guess that's the getting started dialogue. I'll have fun with that later. I picked up a couple of accessories. A case for it, similar to my case for my Nook HD. Some screen protectors. And a USB on the go dongle that I didn't bring downstairs with me. Anyway, this is how it compares in size to the Nook HD. Not too bad. Looking forward to playing with that. Anyway, this has been the Google Nexus 7 2013 32 gig unboxing. I'm Chris Meadows. Read more on Teleread.com.